Welcome to a new session of Let's Learn German. Lasst uns Deutsch lernen. Hast du eine Tablette? Tablette means pill or tablet in German. It's a feminine noun, so you can say eine Tablette for a pill. Die Tablette ist klein. The tablet or pill is small. Hast du Kopfschmerzen? Kopfschmerzen means headaches. It's a compound word. Kopf, head, Schmerzen, pain. In German, many words combine smaller words to make new meanings. Ich habe Kopfschmerzen. I have a headache. Hat Bauchschmerzen. He has a stomachache or he has abdominal pain. Heidi, trink nur Wasser. In German, you call someone by their name followed by a comma to get their attention. Here, Heidi is used to directly speak to Heidi before giving a command. Heidi, come here. Heidi, come here. Heidi, hör zu. Heidi, listen. Heidi, trink nur Wasser. Trink is the command form of trinken, to drink, for do, you. Second person singular. Nur means only, so the phrase means drink only water. Trink Wasser. Trink nur Wasser. Drink only water. Mila, trink keine Milch bitte. In German, keine means no or not any for feminine nouns. Milk is feminine, so you say keine Milch to mean no milk. Ich habe keine Milch. I don't have milk. Sie trinkt keine Milch. She doesn't drink milk. Mila, trink keine Milch bitte. Mila, please don't drink milk. Bitte means please in German. You can use it to politely ask someone to do or not do something. Bitte gib mir das Buch. Please give me that book or the book. Bitte nicht stören. Please do not disturb. Ich muss zum Arzt gehen. Muss means must or have to. It's the first or third person form of müssen, which shows obligation. Ich muss gehen. I must go. Muss lernen. He has to learn or he must learn. Or zum is a short form of zu dem, meaning to the in English. It's used before masculine or neuter nouns like Arzt, doctor. Ich gehe zum Arzt. I'm going to the doctor. Wir fahren zum Supermarkt. We are going to the supermarket. Arzt means doctor, male in German. It's a noun, so it's capitalized in German. Der Arzt hilft. The doctor helps. Der Arzt ist nett. The doctor is nice. Ich muss zum Arzt gehen. Hier gehen means to go in German. It's the infinitive form, like to go in English, used after modal verbs like muss, must. Ich gehe nach Haus. I go home. Du gehst zur Schule. Du gehst zur Schule. I go to school. Tom, geh zum Arzt bitte. Geh is the command form of gehen, to go, for do. Use it when telling someone directly what to do. Geh. Geh nach Haus. Go home. In German, zum is a contraction of zu plus dem, meaning to the. You use it before masculine or neuter nouns in the dative case like Arzt here. Ich gehe zum Arzt. Wir fahren zum Bahnhof. We are going to the train station. Angela, ist heute keine Pizza. Is the informal command form of essen, to eat. It's used to tell someone directly, eat. Iss den Apfel. Eat the apple. Iss dein Brot. Eat your bread. Heute means today in German. It's an adverb that tells you when something happens. Ich gehe heute. I'm going today. Heute ist Montag. Today is Monday. Ich bin krank. Hast du eine Tablet? I am sick. Do you have a tablet? Krank means sick or ill in English. It's an adjective used to describe how someone feels. Ich bin krank. I am ill. Er fühlt sich krank. He feels sick. Ich habe Kopfschmerzen. Kopfschmerzen means headache in English. It's a plural noun made of Kopf plus Schmerzen, head plus pain. Ich habe Kopfschmerzen. I have a headache. Kopfschmerzen sind schlimm. Headaches are awful. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share so that it will be useful for other learners too.